Water is amazing. It can be a solid like ice, it can be a liquid like the water we drink, and it can be a gas like steam. These are called the states of matter. We see water change states all the time. Think about ice melting on a hot day. That's solid water turning into liquid water. Or think about a boiling pot of water. The steam rising from the pot is actually water in its gas form. These transformations are all about energy. Adding heat gives water molecules more energy, making them move faster and spread apart. That's how we go from ice to water to steam. But what if I told you there's a special point where water can exist in all three states at once? Get ready to explore the mind-blowing world of the triple point. The triple point is like a magic show for water. It's the exact temperature and pressure where water can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas all at the same time. Imagine ice, liquid water, and water vapor all coexisting peacefully in perfect balance. That's the triple point. For water, the triple point happens at a very specific temperature, 0.01 degrees Celsius, 32.018 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just a tiny bit above the freezing point of water. But temperature isn't the only factor. The pressure also has to be just right. 0.006 atmospheres. That's about 100 times lower than the air pressure we experience every day. To understand the triple point, we need to think about how temperature and pressure affect water molecules. Temperature is all about how fast those molecules are moving. Higher temperature means faster movement. Pressure is about how much force those molecules are exerting on their surroundings. When we heat ice, the molecules vibrate faster and break free from their rigid structure, turning into liquid water. Heat that liquid water even more, and the molecules zoom around so fast they escape into the air as water vapor. Pressure plays a role too. Higher pressure makes it harder for water molecules to escape into the gas phase. That's why water boils at a higher temperature in a pressure cooker. The triple point is the sweet spot where the temperature and pressure are perfectly balanced, allowing water to exist in all three states simultaneously. Section 4. Recreating the triple point, a science magic show. Scientists can actually recreate the triple point in a lab. They use a special piece of equipment called a triple point cell. It's a sealed glass container that's carefully controlled for both temperature and pressure. Inside the cell, a sample of pure water is cooled down to near its freezing point. Then, the pressure inside the cell is lowered. As the pressure drops, something amazing happens. The water starts to boil and freeze at the same time. You'll see ice forming while bubbles of water vapor dance around it. It's a spectacular demonstration of the triple point in action. Section 5. The triple point in action from thermometers to mountaintops. The triple point might seem like a cool science trick, but it has real-world applications too. For example, the triple point of water is used to calibrate thermometers. By setting a thermometer to the exact temperature of water's triple point, scientists can make sure it's giving accurate readings. The triple point also helps us understand why water behaves differently at different altitudes. Remember, pressure affects the boiling point of water. As you climb a mountain, the air pressure decreases, and so does the boiling point of water. That's why it takes longer to cook food at higher elevations. Section 6. Water's wonders never cease. The triple point of water is a fascinating example of how matter can behave in unexpected ways. It reminds us that there's always more to learn about the world around us. Next time you see ice melting or water boiling, remember the amazing science happening at the molecular level. And never underestimate the power and wonder of plain old H2O. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting videos that can make you seem smarter than your friends.